Welcome to the course on how to use AI-powered chat to accelerate revenue. My name is Kyle Bastian from Drift, and I'm going to be your instructor today.
AI is a very powerful tool to deliver the kind of experiences that people expect. A lot of the chat strategies that we see on websites today are a lot like that. We're going to look at the current relevance of digitally enabled sales interactions compared to more traditional channels. In a post-COVID reality, those channels are twice as valuable as traditional sales interactions. And this new normal has just made that more apparent. So what does outstanding mean? So outstanding means delivering the things that buyers in a buyer-centric world desire and value most, and that's speed, transparency, or expertise. Or put another way, something that's fast, something that they trust, and something that's helpful. And so it happens that live chat is an option that delivers on those things, and for that reason is now become the most beneficial and fastest growing channel for vendor evaluation. This trend is playing out where more and more people are going online and going to chat to get the kind of experiences that they're seeking. This is the next step in the evolution from first forms to live chat and now to decision trees. And decision trees were able to solve the speed limitation present with live chat, but they struggle with the complexity issue. You're never going to be able to predict the order in which people are going to ask questions. So AI chat is able to thread this needle and solve the limitations of both approaches. It can answer questions with expertise the way that live chat does. How do we actually build a AI-based messaging strategy and an action plan for our site? The first thing we're going to want to do is get an aggregate view of who is actually coming to our site and thinking about the intent and what they might need. If we can combine these things into one view, we're going to be able to get a richer picture of who the audiences are. And lastly, we think about designing conversations. If you have different products and different needs, how would we pair folks with the right resources, and what questions would we want to answer for those folks, but also what questions would we need to ask as a business to drive the outcomes that we're looking for, and then to know exactly what the right resource is that we can serve up for the visitor to be as helpful as possible and deliver on the buying experience.